A rare gem, hard to find one-level brick home on 1.79 acres in the heart of North Macon. Hardwood floors throughout, 9 feet ceilings, volume ceilings, custom-built, one-owner home. Unique open floor plan that is great for entertaining. Rooms will flex for you, make it your own. Brand new exterior and interior paint. Room sizes that will knock your socks off. Lots of custom additions such as huge walk-in pantry. 4 bedrooms, formal rooms plus 2 offices or 5 bedroom. This home is truly one of a kind.